Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G15 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let me go back to this general list. And here we have to scroll and find the apps. Now we have to scroll and find special app access. And in this list, let's localize install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.